Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Moyan. Today I'll be making for you guys some ackee pizza. Now, for some of you who do not know, ackee is our national fruit and I will be showing you how to enjoy it on a pizza. But before we get into prepare the ackee, I'll be showing you guys how to make the crust. And so stay tuned, let me show you how it's done. I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can bloom your yeast. Now you can use two methods. You can either use a thermometer, which is easier, or if you don't have one, you can use your fingers. Now the water should not be hotter than your body temperature, so stick your finger in there and it's warm enough for you, it's okay for the yeast. One of the things that you want to make sure, you don't want to get your water too hot because it will kill the yeast and so it's not going to bloom, okay? And you don't want to get it too cold because it will not bloom the yeast. So you want to add your sugar. Sugar activates yeast, and then you can just cover it to just let it bloom, then you come back to it. Now we're going to prepare the dough. We're gonna add, I'm gonna make my dough a little more flavorful, okay? So I'm gonna use some onion powder, some garlic powder, a little salt. Give that a quick stir. Basil. To add some freshness, I'm going to be using a little bit of rosemary, fresh rosemary. Any herb you want to add, it just bring out the flavor of the dough. So just use a little. Some oil. This is how the yeast looks when it's blossom, okay? So you want to add the mixture gradually. Add the mixture to make the dough a sticky dough. That's what you're going for. You want to go ahead and continue kneading the dough until it becomes soft. You're going to oil the surface of the dough. This is to prevent it from drying out while it's raising, okay? So this part is very important. And your hands are going to be sticky, so don't think you're not doing the right thing. If your dough is sticky, it's good. Don't be tempted to add more flour. So I'm just going to cover the dough and put it in a warm place to rise and then get back to it. I'll be showing you guys how to prepare the ackee for those of you who do not know, okay? So you remove the ackee from the pod and remove the seed. Now the seed is very poisonous, so you want to make sure it's out. It's good. You want to, normally sometimes they have a little pink thing on the inside like this one, so you're going to use a knife to just remove the seed, and then you can remove the pink thing with your fingers, okay? For those of you who do not know, who usually purchase the ackee from a can, now you know how to buy it and prepare it if it's selling in your country. Now we're going to prepare the seasonings. You want to cut the seasonings as small as possible, because remember they're going to go on a pizza, right? So you want to make them, comfortable for the palate. You want to use all the seasonings that will add color to your pizza. No, this part is optional. You don't have to use the scotch bonnet if you don't like spice. I like spice, so I'm gonna use it. Your thyme and the carrot. Now you want to cut the carrot as small as you can because you don't want it to be uncomfortable for the palates as well, okay guys? And your sweet pepper. You want to cut these nice size. Boiling water, you want to add your salt. you're going to cook your ackee. Ackee takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook, depending on the type of ackee. You want to cover it, then I'll show you how ackee is cooked. Okay guys, my ackee is ready. See how soft it is? So I'm gonna saute my vegetables now, add in the garlic. Then my thyme, pepper, scallion and onion. Are pretty much sauteed. I'm going to add my ackee and just give that a little stir it up. Little darling, turn on your flame. I'm gonna add a little garlic and onion powder, my black pepper, okay guys, ready to look at the dough now. You can see that the dough has doubled in size, which is a good thing. So you're just gonna deflate it and just bring it back in a ball. Preparing the pizza dough. So to prevent sticking of your pizza, just, you know, spread some cornmeal on the pizza pan. Oh, listen, this is the easier way guys. We're not no Italian around here, we just a try a thing, right? So just spread the dough out on your pizza pan. Now that I spread the dough out on the pan, I'm gonna just use a fork and punch some air holes. That is to make the dough breathe. Lightly brush the dough with some oil. Now that I spread the dough out on the pan, I'm gonna just use a fork and punch some air holes. That is to make the dough breathe. Lightly brush the dough with some oil. Putting on a little pizza sauce. Always start from the middle. You want to make sure you preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Add in my ackee. Guys, you see how colorful the pizza is? Very nice. Just spread your ackee out on it evenly. Real Jamrock style ackee pizza. So we're gonna put it in the oven. Add your pizza to the oven and let it bake for 15 minutes guys. We'll come back and check on it. Showing you guys the end result to my pizza. Guys, this is how my pizza look. It's very hot. Ooh, my God. Looks so nice. And the bottom is very crispy, but this looks so divine, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to this channel for more amazing plant-based recipes. See you.